Hi guys, this is Sadik from Dublin.com, and as you might be aware of, before you can use apps like Termux and Shizuku, you will have to take an extra step, and this extra step is to enable the toggle next to disable permission monitoring. This looks something like this. Disable permission monitoring, you have to enable this toggle onto your phone. For that, you have to go to the dev options and then do so. But recently, I tried enabling this toggle. So for that, first off, you have to go to the settings menu, then go to about device, then go to version and type on version number 7 times. Then go back, again go back, system on update, dev options, and from here, I tried enabling the toggle, but this option is no longer there. This was somewhat surprising for me. So I made a search in the settings menu only. So from the search itself, let's search disable permission monitoring, and this feature is no longer there. As you could see, it's not there on the phone. So where it's gone? Well, the thing is, this feature has been replaced by a new feature, and the name of that new feature is over here. This is the name: disable system optimization. So now you have to enable this toggle in the same location, which is the dev options. So once again, you have to again go to the settings menu from scratch, then about device, then version, type on version number 7 times. This will enable the dev options as before. Then go to system update, dev options, and scroll down. And now you will see the new option in the same location, which is disable system optimization. This is the same location, but the new feature. Enable this, you'll get a prompt. Then tap on turn on anyway, and you could see it's now enabled. So when that is done, go back and you will now see it's now up and running great, no issue whatsoever. So guys, in short, the disable permission monitoring has been replaced by the disable system optimization in both the OnePlus, Realme, Oppo, the Color OS and Oxygen OS both. So that's just about it. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching the video.